Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another video from the Grap Coin YouTube channel. This one has info about MATIC. The MATIC chart is trying to find a low point in this area, but hasn't been able to do so yet. We haven't even gotten past the first level of resistance, let alone broken through it. Yesterday, I talked about the things that need to happen for us to say that a low has formed. MATIC is now in wave 2 for those who are new to the show. Fixing things up, it might be done, but I want to see a little more progress toward the top to make sure it's good. Still, this chart supports the idea that prices will go up. It shows that prices went up in 5 waves before the December high. After the high, prices went down in 3 waves to fix the trend. This building may have reached or is getting close to its bottom. Let's keep an eye on it for now. A key level of support is at 58.2 cents if the price stays there. If it goes below that, the September low point SU will get more attention. At 49C, that is the important point of no return. It's clear that support does not mean invalidation. The support level stays the same if the invalidation level is broken. Taking away the chart's use, that wouldn't show that the market is going up. It would just be a delay for wave 2. 90% of the time wave 2 hits a low point in that area. However, this might not always be the case. But it's not based on numbers, it's more about what you've seen and done. Wave 2 would almost never break, even if it was 85% or 90% of the time. I can draw a wick below the 78.6 retracement and still expect a return, but cryptocurrencies are so unpredictable that I can't do that. This means that there is a space between wave 2 and the invalidation point. Wave 2 could go back in time 99.9% of the time that wave 1 did. It's possible, but not very likely. We're probably going to turn things around in this case, but it's not clear yet. Let's talk about the time frame of an hour. For now, I'm calling this building an ABC structure because it looks like it was built from the ground up. The wave might hit another low point, but if you look at it as a WXC, the low point is already over. It's possible that the low has been reached since we've dropped well below support, but I need to see EFTA. The fact that prices have gone up shows that the first goal of a 75-cent difference has not been met yet. According to the news from yesterday, the next goal is 86.2 cents if we reach it. This is the best third wave goal, in my opinion. You can always raise the goal a little, but 86.2 is a good place to start for a third wave. After that, there could be a fourth wave of bad news. With a goal of 91 cents, the fifth wave of the rise would go all the way to 1.618. That is, I need 5 waves of 91 cents to be sure that there is a low. Even though it's still early, you now have a long list of things to think about. To start, keep the white count high. I am only following a chance at this time, which isn't very likely because this could still change into something else like triangle or something else that we haven't yet broken out of, and trend lines don't always work. We haven't seen any signs of a low, and this rise isn't happening by itself, so it could still be the white count, but only as a diagonal and as long as the low of wave 2 stays at 61.9 cents. We might also see the third wave getting stronger, but that's not something I can rule out for sure. It might make an ABC pattern A, B, and C, or the number of yellows is going up. As long as there aren't 5 waves up to 91 cents, one more low must be taken into account. As soon as there are, we can call it wave 1. There would be a 3-wave slowdown in wave 2. A deal could also be made in this area, which is a support zone for the third wave of recovery. I'm keeping an eye on it, but that's not really what I'm thinking about right now. I need to see more upward movement before I can say that we've reached the bottom of the analysis. That means there might be one more low until then. The prices are currently a range, which isn't very appealing, but this is the end of my article on MATIC. I hope you found this interesting. Follow me, leave a review, and click the like button. Thanks for seeing it. Check out the Grap Coin YouTube channel.